What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing? We are doing the football mixer. Let's give away the Patriots. One, no, 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 2, 3, 4, 5. Carolina Panthers. Kenny Klein in the mini. In the mini. Nobody wanted them. Okay. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. We're going to start off with tomorrow has Absolute, Rookie and Stars, Mosaic, and Spectra. The Rookie and Stars box by itself has a gajillion hits in it. What's up, Don? Hobby Spectra. Hobby Spectra. Hobby Mosaic. Hobby Rookie and Stars. And 3 Absolute. We're going downtown, or kaboom hunting tomorrow. Hey, you back? About time. Saquon. Michael Parsons, Amir Smith-Marset, Jalen Hurts, Tom Brady. Pat Fremuth, Tom Brady, Tampa. Refractor Sam Ellinger, Colts. Cowboys. It should be a smiley. Ooh, we got Anna Gold. We got Charles Haley, Cowboys. This is David Haynes. And a gold, Devin Singletary. Jalen Waddle, Javonte Williams. We got Jerry Rice, Cortland Sutton. A.J. Brown, Tennessee, blue, 75. Najee Harris. We got rookie Jacob Harris, purple out of 50. Trevor Lawrence, Matthew Stafford, Najee, Michael Carter, Tom Brady, Patriots, fall free. Zach Wilson, silver, Bobby Wagner. Dak Prescott, pink. That's out of 20. 20. Dallas, David Haynes. Kyle Trask. Jimmy G. Michael Carter for the Jets out of 75, rookie. All right, that was the no huddle. You need gold Brady's yet? No. Not yet. Alright, Hobby. Hey, yo, Scoot, you still there? We got Baker Mayfield, Cornell Powell, Tannehill, Kyle Pitts, Tom Brady. Hey, by the way, anybody listening, is anybody from Phoenix or near Phoenix by any chance? We have like 30 people watching. Anybody from Phoenix, lives near Phoenix, can drive to Phoenix? Just wondering. I'll be there this weekend. Any Cajuns from that area? I I'll be out there Saturday afternoon till Wednesday morning for the tops thing going on. Ooh, damn! Another low numbered Nation Wright out of 49. Refractor, Big Ben. Bledsoe, Mac Jones. Davis Mills, Chris Evans. We're staying at, hold on, Ryan. We're staying at, what's the name of this place? We're staying in Chandler at the, here it is. Wild Horse Casino or whatever? The Wild Horse? That's where they hold me at. We're staying there. We're playing golf Sunday at Whirlwinds, which I've heard is a nice course. I have no idea. Ryan, you know what I'm talking about? I don't. Okay, we got Quentin Nelson. We got Asante Samuel Jr., Chargers. Refractor, Russell Wilson. Tom Brady. Mac Jones base. We have a crazy redemption. I don't want to show it. It was flipped the wrong. We have a redemption. Only the redemption's not flipped that direction. Okay, we have Robbie Anderson, Ezekiel, Justin Fields. Many helmets are paid up. Last I checked. Many helmets are paid up. The rest of the breaks, I think there's one or two teams still left. And we have Justin Fields. Bam. Bears. Wow. Rookie autograph, Mosaic. Come on, camera. There it is. Justin, oh my God, it was just. Justin Fields, Bears. Bingo. Duncan. Tom Brady, Tampa. We got Donald Driver, Larry Fitzgerald, Malcolm Butler. Okay. What's we got? We're not done yet. We still got a lot more to go with Patrick Queen, DK, Cam Akers, Trevor Lawrence. more teams have paid up. San Francisco, Joe Montana out of 99. Jalen Hurts, Trey Lance, Stephon Diggs, Devontae Smith. Okay, Jalen Smith, Marcus Stevenson, Justin Fields, Silver, Tom Brady. Derek Johnson, Kansas City, Tyson. Derek Johnson. Auto. Then Daniel Sorensen and Patty Mahomes. We're going to KC. And Jamar Chase. Kansas City Trough. Cajillionaire there. T. Higgins, Peyton Turner, Dalvin Cook. Okay, we go on Big Bird hunting right now. I want to see. Let's see some. We go on chase that peacock. Peacock. Peacock time and others. Gold and autograph. We got a peacock. All right, I got Rodney Anderson for silver. Chenault. We're going peacock hunting, y'all. I don't know who it is or what we got, but you can see that from a mile away. The autograph is Amon Green, Green Bay, Chris Beck. We got Aaron Jones. These are out at 80. Billy Sims out at 80. Very nice. Devontae out of 80. The Eagles. Carlo. Very nice one. Red, blue, whatever it is called. Levi, Detroit. And the Peacock. Josh Jacobs, Peacock. Raiders. Ryan. Mr. Caras. So we had Amon Green, Derek Johnson, Charles Haley. We had a Peacock, Josh Jacobs. Out of 80, Devontae Smith. Silver, blue chips, Justin Fields. Out of 20, Dak Prescott. We had Tom Brady. We had a golden Devin Singletary. And the big hit, Justin Fields, Mosaic. Okay. The giveaway. We got some nice ones in there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mr. Abear and Mr. Hall. All right, guys. Congrats. Thank y'all. Appreciate it. That is the break. Cajun out.